Hello everyone, it's your girl the Sassy Engineer, your favorite Niger Kiwi down under New Zealand. Today in this video, we're diving into a significant development in the world of employment classification, the upcoming replacement of the Australian and New Zealand Standard Classification of Occupation, ANZSCO. Let's break down what this means and how it might impact you. Just ignore the microphone and take the message, okay? Thank you. In a significant shift, New Zealand is replacing ANZSCO with its own system known as the National Occupation List, NOL. Should we call it NOL? Yes, we'll call it NOL. ANZSCO has been the cornerstone for classifying occupation in Australia and New Zealand since its inception. It provides a standardized framework that governments, employers, researchers rely on for various purposes, including employment statistics, immigration policies, and job advertisements. However, as the job market evolves with new technologies, emerging industries, the need for a more current and flexible classification system has become evident. That's what the government says. And as such, recognizing this, the Australian Bureau of Statistics and Stats New Zealand have announced plans to replace ANZSCO with a new system designed to better reflect today's dynamic employment landscape. That's what they said. The first version of NOL was released in November 2024, marking the beginning of the phased transition with further updates in 2025. So this is going to be like phased. It's not going to be at once, which is good. The NOL introduces tailored occupational classification and is said to be reflecting the unique demands of New Zealand workforce. During this period, stakeholders will have the opportunity to provide their input and adapt to the changes. So they're not going to implement it at once. They're still going to be using ANZSCO while they slowly and steadily introduce and implement NOL. For employers, this means updated job description and clearer pathway for hiring skilled workers. You will need to familiarize yourself with the new classification to ensure compliance in job posting and reporting. For job seekers and visa applicants, the NOL should offer a more accurate reflection of current job roles, potentially impacting visa eligibility and pathways to residency. Understanding the updated system will be crucial in navigating the job market and aligning your skills with the right opportunities. As Immigration New Zealand transitions to NOL, it's essential that you stay informed and adapt to these changes. For more information, I strongly suggest that you visit Immigration New Zealand website as well as Statistics New Zealand website. Statistics New Zealand website is where you will find the NOL list that has been released, and you can see how that impacts you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, toodles.